I'm just securing my hair with this. It's not under 10 rupees, it's under 20 rupees, so it's not included in this video.
Oh no!
Hey awesome people out there, welcome or welcome back to my channel Rapid Stylist. So today I'm going to create a makeup look under 10 rupees. The products which I'm going to use in this video are under 10 rupees, so if you're interested, then keep on watching. First product which I'm going to use is this. So first I'm going to moisturize my face. So for moisturization I'm going to use this Pond's moisturizing cold cream, and I did this. This is what I am. So coming to the product, this I used to use when I was younger, when I was a child. So it's really very appropriate for dry skin, but I'm a combination skin girl, so I'm taking very less amount. And the price of this moisturizer is only 5 rupees. So moisturization done. The next product should be BB cream or foundation, but I couldn't find any BB cream or foundation under 10 rupees. I'm so sorry, it's not possible. I tried to find, but I couldn't. So the next product which I'm going to use is this, and this is 10 rupees, the powder by Wildstone. So I'm going to use this on my T-zone area and under my eyes. So I'm dabbing the powder on my face, I'm not dragging it to get some coverage. And I'm using a tissue paper for that. I'm not using any kind of tool as well because it's not under 10 rupees. I'm going to take some more powder and will apply on the inner corner, because for me this is the most problematic area. So base done. This is the close-up look. I'm going to apply some color on my cheek, so it's blush time basically. So for blush I'm going to use this pencil, and this is by Glam 21. This is the lip pencil, what it called, lip liner. Okay, it's a lip liner. So I'm going to rub this pencil on my hand like so and apply the color on my cheek. This is 10 rupees. It's really hard to blend, but still I'm trying. I took this challenge really very seriously, you know. Some on my nose. Okay, let me see. It's really very pigmented. And it's nice. It's nice though. Hope you guys can also see the pinky glow on my cheek. Now for highlighter I'm going to use Vaseline. This little tub, we all know this tub I guess. And it's under 5 rupees, 5 rupees only. So I'm going to use on my cheekbone, a little bit on my nose tip, and on the bridge of my nose, and it's nice. and some on my lips as well. So for eyebrow, I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil, and this is only 10 rupees. I got this from Planet area. Okay, so if you are from Kolkata and if you already know the place, you might know this. In Planet you will get a lot of product within, very cheap price, though I will not recommend you to use those products. But I'm using this lip liner and this eyebrow pencil for almost 1 year now, and it worked fine for me. And I'm very sensitive skin. I have very sensitive skin, so yeah, it's worked perfectly alright for me. So you can definitely use this. So eyebrow done. So now for eyes, I'm going to use this kajal. On the top it's written Blue Heaven, but I'm not sure it's from Blue Heaven or not. I think it's not from Blue Heaven, but it's 5 rupees only. So I'm going to use this kajal on my eyelid area. You don't need to be very precise about that. Okay, so this is how my eye looks like. Okay, so I have applied the kajal on my eyelid. Now I'm going to smudge the kajal by using this. So if you have Q-tip, then you can use that, but right now I haven't any. So I'm using this matchstick over here, and over on the top I wrap a cotton ball. So big jugaru insan I am. Hope it's gonna work perfectly. So basically my plan is to create a smoky eye. I don't know how it's gonna work, but hope for the best, and I hope I can manage. What do you guys think? Okay, so I have smudged the kajal. I hope you can see. Now I'm going to use this brown pencil which I have used for my eyebrows, and just applying it on the top of it, and then smudge again. I hope you can see. Okay, now I'm going to apply this same brown pencil on the lower lash line. Okay, so the look is almost done. So now for lipstick, I'm going to use another lip pencil. It's also from Glam 21 and it's under 10 rupees. This is the final result, final look using the products under 10 rupees. I hope you guys have enjoyed this one because I really enjoyed a lot while making this video. And thank you so much for watching the whole video. If you really enjoyed this video, then please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to keep notify yourself every time I upload a new video. And you can also follow me on my Instagram, link you will find in the description box. So that's it for today. Bye. Love you. Stay safe.